a place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around.
Imagine this hot water flowing through a forest, pools that shines like emeralds, and a temple above the clouds. Today, I'm taking you on the most magical day in Krabi, Thailand. From natural hot springs to a hidden blue lagoon, and finally to a temple with a view that will leave you speechless. Let's begin this unforgettable journey. This water is hot, but not from any mission. This is Mother Nature's spa. Welcome to Namtok Ron, the hot spring water that flows straight from beneath the earth. It's warm, soothing, and feels like sitting in a natural jacuzzi right in the middle of the jungle. The temperature ranges from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius depending on where you sit. Some spots are gently warm, while others are steaming hot. Locals say the mineral rich water helps with skin, pain relief, and stress. And honestly, after just 10 minutes here, I felt like a new person. This isn't just a waterfall, it's a healing experience you don't want to miss. Next, we stepped into a real life fairy tale tucked inside Khao Phra Bhang Kram Nature Reserve is the famous Emerald Pool. This isn't just a photo spot, it's full on tropical escape. The water, a glowing shade of turquoise, thanks to mineral rich spring and sunlight bouncing off limestone below. And yes, there were people, families, travelers, locals, all laughing, splashing, and soaking in the beauty of this magical place. We joined in too, swimming in the clear blue water and just living in the moment. It wasn't silent, but it didn't need to be. Instead of crowds, it felt like a shared joy. Everyone amazed by how stunning it was. It's peaceful, it's magical, and honestly, I still can't believe places like this actually exist. Next, we take a short trail through the rainforest. The deeper we go, the cooler the air feels, and the more alive the forest becomes. And then the Blue Lagoon. It's like staring into a gemstone, so vividly blue, it almost doesn't feel real. You can't swim here since it's a sacred and incredibly deep, but the serenity you feel just standing nearby is something special. We stumbled upon a fun little surprise. When we clapped our hands near the water, tiny bubbles started to raise, a quirky trick of nature that made us smile. No crowds, no noise, just sound of birds, breeze and your breath. It's peaceful, magical and seriously, why doesn't everyone know about this place? There were others around enjoying the view and we soaked in the atmosphere together. Next up, the Tiger Cave Temple. It's named after a legend that a tiger once lived here. And inside the cave, you can even see a paw-like marks on the stone. We didn't hike the 1,200 plus steps to the top, maybe next time, but the peaceful energy at the base was enough to leave us in awe. Surrounded by a jungle and silence, it felt sacred. And then, dinner at Kodam restaurant, pineapple shrimp fried rice, juicy chicken skewers. Every bit was packed with flavors and felt like celebration. It was a perfect end to a perfect day. This was our last night in Thailand, so we dressed up, took it all in and promised ourselves we are coming back. What a journey, right? From healing hot springs to emerald pools, rainforests, wonders, and sacred temples. This was one of the most magical days of my life in Thailand. If you enjoyed this trip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More adventures are coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye bye.